Got me some water going for coffee and a Cornish hen for dinner. Getting a little late. Don't even have a rod in water yet. Better get on it.
Bigfoot, wild men, and giants archive.
Look at that. Wonderful. Wonderful. Oh yeah. Pulls out real nice. Save them. There we go. Save that. Cook some catfish on it, hopefully. Let's tear this baby apart. Oh yeah, look at that. Done. Oh yeah. She's done all the way through. Looks good. Got some barbecue sauce from an MRE and some seasoning salt from an MRE. So we're just going to blast this on here. Got her opened up a little bit. Get out the old trusty Smithfield here. Put the barbecue sauce to her. Set that there. There. Hot cocoa here. Got some hot water rolling. Use this Y stick to pick up my pan or my pot. If I do it like that, I turn it around, I don't have to touch it. Pour it out real nice and slow. There, it works like a charm. See that? Dark out here. I can't tell what's going on with that camera. I got a couple bugs in there probably. Oh well. That's good as shit. Mix that up. Put this back over here. Barbecue sauce on her. Spread that all out. That barbecue sauce is out of an MRE. Sort of save them whenever I use them. Got some hot chocolate going on there. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. Good night.